You want to come down to your floor? Come here, Mabel. You want to come down? You willing to come down yet? You willing to come to your floor? Come here. Nope. Okay. We're still going to work on that, baby girl. Yep, we are. We're working on that issue. Are you thinking you'd like to step up and get in my lap? You want to step up? Step up. You want to step up? Step up. Good job. Step in. I'm sorry. Go ahead. There you go. Now you got it. Now you got treats. And you did a good job, Mabel. I'm very pleased with you. Mabel's a good girl. What did you say, Jake? Yeah, Jake, you're a taka. It's all right, sweetheart. It's okay. All is well. All is well. You did a good job, Mabel. I'm proud of you. Hey, Mabel. She's a good girl. Yeah, baby.